Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 6 of natural numbers and whole numbers, the division sums, isn't it? So first question was divide and check. Now coming to the second question, find the least number that should be subtracted from 1000 so that 35 divides the difference exactly. So already we have discussed about the examples, two types of examples. One is the least number to be subtracted, the other one was the least number to be added. So the subtracted, that method. So first what we have to do, 1000 divided by 35, ordinary division. 1000 divided by 35. So 2 digits. So it is a 2 digit if you take, it is 10. So we have to take 3 digits. So you know 35 2s are 70. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 7. Now 0, 10 minus 7 is 3. Bring this 0 down. So 35 and 300. So it will be 8s are 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 0, 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is the remainder. So in subtraction, the remainder has to be subtracted. So 1000 minus 20, 0 minus 0, 0. So 0 minus 2 means 10 minus 2 is 8. Now here 9 is remaining. So check the new number divided by 35. So 35 2s are 70, 8, and here it will be 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring this 0 down. 35 8s are 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो पहले ऑर्डिनरी डिवीजन करने का है. जो रिमाइंडर आया उसको 1000 से माइनस करो और जो आंसर मिला उसको फिर से डिवाइड करके देखो, रिमाइंडर 0 आने का है. ठीक है. सो आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन हाउ वी हैव टू राइट द लीस्ट नंबर. विच इज द लीस्ट नंबर? Which number we have subtracted? It is 20. 20 is the least number which should be subtracted from 1000 so that 35 divides the difference. What is the difference? That is, you got the difference 980 exactly. Okay. Now coming to the third sum. It is find the least number that should be added. So added वाला example के जैसे करो to 2000 so that 45 divides the sum exactly. So take the number, it is 2000 and divided by 45. Okay, 45 and 20 not possible, to 200. So 45 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 8 is 2 and 1 minus 1, 0. bring 0 down. Now again it will be 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So again you will be getting the remainder 20. Now for added, what we have to do? Remember the example, the divisor minus the remainder. So it is 45 minus 20. First you have to do this, 5, and here it is 2. Now this has to be added. So 2000 plus 25. It is 2025. Now you check 2025 divided by 45. So 45, as here it is 4s are 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 2, 10 minus 8, 2, bring 5 down. Now one number more. So it is 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22. समझ में आया है ना? पहले डिवाइड करो, फिर डिवाइजर माइनस द रिमाइंडर. जो आंसर मिला उसको नंबर को ऐड करने का, और जो सम मिला उसको चेक करो. ठीक है, रिमाइंडर 0 आने के लिए. So answer, which is the number to be added? कौन सा नंबर को ऐड किए? 25. 25 is the least number that should be added to 2000 so that 45 divides the sum. What is the sum you got? That is 2025 exactly. Is it clear? So one was subtraction, the other was addition, isn't it? And now coming to the question number 4. Find the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40. The largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40 means largest 5-digit number क्या आएगा? 99,999. It is not exactly divisible by 40, तो दूसरा उससे थोड़ा कम रहेगा, है ना, उससे छोटा नंबर. तो इसके लिए हमें कौन सा मेथड यूज करने का है? सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो याद रखो, द लार्जेस्ट पूछेंगे तो आप लोगों को सब्ट्रैक्शन करने का, द स्मॉलेस्ट पूछेंगे तो एडिशन करने का है. ठीक है, दो मेथड है, विच इज द नंबर टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, विच इज द नंबर टू बी एडेड. तो लार्जेस्ट नंबर पूछेंगे तो सब्ट्रैक्शन मेथड यूज करो, स्मॉलेस्ट पूछेंगे तो एडिशन मेथड यूज करने का है. सो द लार्जेस्ट 5-digit number, they have not given the number, so you have to write the number. So largest 5-digit number is equal to 99,999, which is exactly divisible by 40. So ordinary division करो, 40. So 2 digits, 2 digits. Yes, you can. So 4 2s are 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1. Bring this 9 down. 4 4s are 16. So 4 you can put. ये लिखने के वक्त जो डिजिट लिए उसके ऊपर ही लिखने का, ठीक है. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 6, 3. Now bring this 9 down. 4 9s are 36, so you can put 9. It is 9 4s are 36. Again 9, and here it is 3. Again bring this 9 down. Again it will be 9. 9 4s are 36. You got 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So which is the number to be subtracted? That is 39. So subtract 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 39. It is 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 as it is, 9, 9. So which is the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40? So check. 9, 99960 divided by 40. So it is 2s are 2 4s are 8. So 9, 1 remains. Bring 9 down. It is 4s are 4 4s are 16. 9, 3. Bring 6 down. It is 4 9s are 36. So 9. Zeros are 0. 9 4s are 36. 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Bring 0 down. It is 4 9s are 36. 9 zeros are 0. 9 4s are 36. Remainder is 0. Now it is exactly divisible. So which is the answer? Which is the number to be subtracted नहीं पूछे हैं, तो आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आंसर लिखने का. फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर. सो इट इज लार्जेस्ट नंबर इज 99960 is the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40. So dash is the least number to be subtracted. वैसा वाला नहीं लिखते हैं क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से. कौन सा नंबर आया? 99,960 is the largest 5-digit number which is exactly divisible by 40. Okay. Now coming to the word problem, fifth sum. If in a parade the soldiers are arranged in 14 rows. If the number of soldiers is 504, find the number of soldiers in each row. So total number of soldiers दिए हैं, नंबर ऑफ रोज दिए हैं, और एक रो में कितने सोल्जर्स है. तो इट इज डिवीजन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स. ये सब छोटे क्लास में समझे हैं, कब ऐड करने का, कब सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का, सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक का दिया है, ज्यादा का पूछा है तो मल्टीप्लाई, ज्यादा का दिया एक का पूछा तो डिवीजन. लेकिन इधर क्या पूछे हैं? एक रो 14 रोज दिए हैं, एक रो में कितने हैं. ठीक है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ सोल्जर्स इज 504 एंड द नंबर ऑफ रोज it is 14. Therefore number of soldiers in one row एक रो में कितने हैं? टोटल 504 और नंबर ऑफ rows is 14. So divide and see. 14 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4. It is 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring 4 down. It is 6 are 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8. So answer, there are, what is the quotient? 36 soldiers in each row. Is it clear? Now coming to the sixth question. In a dance class, 135 students got themselves enrolled and the total fee collected is 3,56,200. Find the fee paid by each student. तो टोटल अमाउंट दिया है, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दिया है, एक स्टूडेंट का फी कितना है. अगेन इट इज डिविजन. सो स्टेटमेंट, टोटल फी collected is equal to rupees 3,56,200. Number of students is equal to 137. Therefore, fee paid by one student. Each का मतलब one, याद रखो. So it is 3,56,200 divided by 137. Now divide. 356,200 divided by 137. So 3 digits. So 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 1s are 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Here it is 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then 2 minus 2, 0. Bring 2 down. It will be 6 7s are 42. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 6 1s are 6, 7, 8. So already you got, but now 0, isn't it? लास्ट का वो zeros को जितना है उतना स्टेप करते जाने का है. समझ में आया? आंसर, the quotient is the answer. Find the fee paid by each student. Each student paid a fee of rupees 2,600. Is it clear? So we have completed the worksheet 5 or 6. It's worksheet 6, isn't it? So hope everyone understood. This was about the division of whole numbers. So we have completed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Everything you have understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.